Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install XUMO Play app to your Android TV box. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 GB space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. Now this is my Android TV box I'm currently using. I'm going to be showing you how to install the XUMO Play app. Now the first step for you is to go to the inbuilt app store. Now this is my inbuilt app store here. The reason I'm saying this is because on your inbuilt app store you might find the app, but as you can see on mine, it's not available. So what do? If the application is not available on my inbuilt app store, then this is what I do to install it. So I go back, I go over to apps. When I go over to apps, just launch Google. So if you don't know how to log into Google on Android TV box, check the description of this video. There is a link I've made there that's going to help you to log into Google. So as you go over here, you just go over to the search box and search the word XUMO Play. So while we are searching, I want to recommend that before you apply on the internet on your Android TV box or your Android device, always try using a VPN. It keeps you secure and it bypasses a lot of stuff. So you can try using a VPN. In the description of this video, I have added a VPN that you can use. The one of the best VPN you can use. Just check the description for it. So as you go over here, here's the option that says XUMO Play. So you can come over here and scroll. So you come over here and scroll to the bottom. Alright, I have to say XUMO Play app. XUMO Play app. So that's what it search place. So once you're here, as you can see on my screen, here's the application down here, the XUMO Play app. So here is it. The best option or the safest option is always installing from Google Play. So I go over here and I install. Now here's the issue. If you're not in the US, you cannot install this application except you're using a VPN. But if you're in the US, you just have to go over here and click on it, and it's just going to go ahead and install to your Android TV without any issues. So the application is only available in the US. So this is how to install XUMO Play to your Android TV without any issues. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.